Hey bro, hopefully you're doing great. You're probably thinking if architecture or engineering is a good course for you to take. And as a lot of content are being posted in the social media realm, whether architecture is better than engineering or engineering is vice versa better than architecture, you might be having a lot of information, basically information overload, and you might be getting confused. To give you a more summarized and straight to the point guide, we have divided 9 topics from the podcast to the following videos. So, let's get into it. The third out of the 9 questions that we had is the budget in college. What's really funny about this is when we are discussing or conversing with some of my friends, majority of the engineering students doesn't really have this budget in terms of like materials compared to architecture. And for you to just know or to grasp something, just check out this video.
Budget. Bale, ano yung mga naging, siguro, yung budget mo on a daily or weekly basis or kapag may projects para just in case lang may mga nagbabalak ng mag-take ng course natin para lang may ballpark lang sila na ay mahal pala or hindi naman pala ganun kamahal yung course na to. So, like sinong gusto mag-share ng budget ano nila.
So, feel ko, I speak for Phil also na wala naman kami pinagagastusan.
Like ano ba?
Wala nga rin eh.
Wala talaga.
Com shop.
So, budget.
NSK.
Budget sa Arky. Yung sa simula ka talaga gagastos eh.
Yes.
Kasi you need to buy the tech pens,
Yeah.
rulers,
Naming materials, yeah.
scales. Oo, and I guess parang magkano kaya yun?
Nung time natin, sabi natin yung ano lang. Siguro yung
Parang-
mga tech pens, parang 3K ba? 4K?
Yeah, yung
Okay,
parang
for
set,
three.
kung set siya Jared.
Na ano.
Rotring or Staedtler, basta any branded tech pen. Ang maganda kasi doon, kapag ginamit mo siya sa, let's say, tracing paper or parchment paper, maganda yung quality niya. Yun nga lang, dapat careful ka rin kasi very fragile ang isang tech pen. Pero ayun, since nga nasabi ni Dubi na parang tech pen nga, medyo magastos pag nag-arky. Pero sige, continue kang
Magastos.
nadagdag na lang ako.
Ako, I feel like mga 10K siguro.
Sa
Tapos
simula.
wala ka pang table nun.
Sa simula.
Tama ba?
Oo, sa
Pag bibili ka pa ng
Yeah,
table
yeah.
mo, ng drafting table mo, parang drafting table costs 7,000 data.
Mga
Tama ba?
ganun. Mga ganun,
Time
estimate.
natin yun na baka nagmahal na ngayon.
Laptop.
Oh,
Mm,
pa.
yes, of course.
ako eh. Oo.
So, ayun, more than 10K pa pala siya.
Gaming pa
Kasi,
dapat.
kasi
Dapat yun yung
dapat
mga
high
sobrang-
performance yung laptop nyo, if ever. Kasi nga,
Oo.
kasama rin kasi sa course yung applications such as AutoCAD, SketchUp, and the others. So, ayun, kung sinabi ni Dubin 10K, siguro dagdag pa tayo kasi may laptop pa. I bought mine like around 45. Pero baka kasi ngayon, tumaas na yung presyo ng laptop. So, mga ganun. Para lang it can give you guys a hint of kung magkano yung nagagastos namin. Tapos hindi pa yun lahat kung akala nyo. Kasi you'll be printing pa, depende sa prof or depende sa
Yun,
subject,
printing,
contact boards and all. Yeah, and then you'll also buy rendering materials kung manual drawing, markers, ganun. Syempre, marami na yung bibilin nyo.
One more subtopic I guess, that you might be interested in is when Philip, our licensed civil engineer, questioned us, architecture apprentice, whether someone should be well off for you to be in an architecture school or course. Or may chance ba na makapasok ka sa isang architecture school or course kahit ba hindi ka ganun kayaman? So I think this is something that is very good or very nice to talk about kasi of course not everyone is well off, not everyone is super rich, but we have our own opinions regarding this. So check out this short clip again and I hope you get something from it.
Gusto ko lang sumingit. Parang gusto ko rin actually magtanong. I mean,
Yes.
what if you're not well off, di ba? Parang, is it impossible to get into architecture? Kunyari, wala akong masyadong budget. I mean, kaya mag-afford ng ballpen, siguro. Pero yung table, yung laptop siguro, hindi. Parang, paano yun?
It's practical. Pero yun nga, kaso lang kasi sa case ko, I'm not really in a well-off family. So parang, yung sakto lang, yung may kaya lang, ganun. So there are times na yung allowance ko, I sacrifice some of that na binabudget ko siya na, I need kunyari, I need to buy this specific material for my plate. Sometimes, may mga times nga na in school, I sacrifice yung kain ko
Oo.
para makabili ng certain material. Especially, it's hard kasi kapag hindi ka well off hindi kayang ibigay yung parang needs mo for school. So, yun, that's one thing to consider. Pero kung well off ka, that's good. It's an advantage for you kasi medyo pricey mag-architecture, to be honest.
Yeah.
Yung iba naman, meron siya nung mga mas murang version, like yung TechPens. If you can't buy it, meron siya nung mga Unipin. You can use that when drafting.
Like around 60 pesos ata sa National Bookstore.
Oo,
Mga
may
ganun.
mga alternatives naman siya.
Mm.
Pero yung sa mga laptop, siguro, humeram ka muna
Mm.
before buying or...
Speaking of hiram, so yun nga sabi ko kasi I'm not well off. During my time in college, biglang nasira yung laptop ko pero I was really in need. So during those times, syempre wala namang pera. I had to borrow like 3 laptops in the same term. Kasi wala akong laptop nun. So, wala. Ewan ko, diniskartehin ko na lang siya. Kasi I have to push myself nga. Kasi parang, believe in the saying, kapag may gusto, may paraan.
Yes, sir.
Tama.
Like for example, you can't afford...
May gusto.
So, for example, you don't have a drafting table.
Nasa labas sa mga nitaw.
Ayun, as I was saying lang, like for example nga Philip, like you can't afford to buy a drafting table. There's so many alternatives to do it. Sometimes you have to sacrifice yung angle ng drafting table for a flat surface. Naranasan ko yun. Kasi parang yung drafting table ko dito sa bahay, hindi na siya ma-incline. So I had to work lagi na flat surface lang siya. So masakit siya sa likod, yes, pero wala. Sacrifices have to be made in order to achieve your goal. Parang yun lang. Yun lang yung mindset ko lagi.
Oo, tama.
Ikaw, Gerard, anong thoughts mo about dun?
Oh, since na-share niyo na yung mga ibang details na parang yung mga table, kwento ko lang yung parang siguro naging ko. Kasi from first year to third year, actually, kung hindi kayo parang makakabili right away ng laptop, pero I believe na like dun sa career path na yun, kakailangan mo talaga bumili kasi ng laptop Either ways, kung like sa future, kung mag-graduate ka man lang, like kakailangan mo pa rin talaga ng laptop pag nag-work ka. Pero yung sa akin, first year up until third year, manual lahat ng ng drawings ko. As in yung nakakatawa dun kasi may yung AD subject namin, yung architectural design. Majority ng blockmates ko nun, lahat sila naka parang gaming laptop, ganyan. Tapos gumagawa sila ng mga render. As in, sobrang na ako nun, alam mo tamang term dun. Like, overwhelmed ako na nakikita ko sila may parang realistic na renders, ganyan.
Or parang intimidated ba, Gerard? Parang ganong feeling.
So ako, lagi akong paper and pencil talaga. Like, traditional drawing talaga, ganyan. So, since yun yung parang ginawa kong way para makapag-submit, ang kakailanganin mo is dun ka mag-i-invest. Invest ka on, pang-render mo naman is going to be markers. Yung mga marker pens, which is, if we'll be honest, rin siya, costly rin siya Parang mga 150, no? Yung isang pen.
Yeah, just one. That's just one marker.
So yun.
And then, Kure Color.
So depende siya May mga muray, parang Touch 5.
Yes, may mga alternative naman.
So, yun, kagaya na sabi ni Pao, nagkaroon din ng time na, for example, naubusan ako ng green color kasi majority kailangan, dami kang puno ganyan-ganyan, daming puno. So, nagkaroon lang ng time na, pag naubusan ako ng tinta, minsan nahihiya akong magsabi na parang need ko pa ng bagong need ko pang 300 or need ko pa ng 450 pambili ng markers. Pero nahihiya lang talaga ako, kaya may times din na parang sacrifice lang nung hindi ka kakain for like one day or magbabaon ko na lang kung may food sa ganyan. So ayun, first to third year nagawa kong puro manual, which is I think is good kasi hindi ako nasanay ng parang directly digital drawings lahat. Like nagawa kong parang struggle ng nagsasmudge yung ink ng ng tech pen.
Yes.
Tapos ayun, naalala ko nung time na nag-request talaga ako sa mami ko, pero yun na yung sobrang pressured na ako kasi ang gaganda na talaga ng mga gawa ng mga blockmates ko. Like, sobrang realistic na to the point na yun na naman dumating yung limiting belief ko na parang kung ima-manual ko, hindi ko magagawa yung like same level ng pagiging realistic, which is, ang akala ko, kung realistic yung gawa mo, maganda na siya, which is hindi siya ganun hindi naman talaga siya ganun. Like, usually sa concept talaga or design. which is yun nga kasi since majority ng tao nakasama ko is lahat sila naka-digital. Ayun, nagkaroon lang ng time na nag-ano ako sa bahay, gumagawa ako ng plate tubes tsaka ano. Gumagawa ako ng plate dun eh. Tapos like nag-usap kami ni Mami, nakadami na akong sabi na kailangan ko ng laptop. Tapos nagparinig lang ako na parang sobrang stress na ako. Ewan ko bakit, naalala ko lang. Third year yata yun. Sobrang dami kong plate. Sabi ko, parang ang dami kong kailangan gawin, ganyan. Tapos parang, kasi nainis na talaga ako na parang nagmukhang sumabog ako na parang kailangan ko na talaga.
Gusto mo
na,
talaga.
parang kailangan ko talaga
Oo.
to, ganyan. Pero, alam mo yun, parang it's either kakaparan mo yung mukha mo na, need ko nito, which is alam kong mahal. Or, ituloy ko lang yung parang manual. Pero, yun, I'm very grateful sa parents ko kasi nakapag-provide sila
Na-provide
sa akin. Oo,
nila.
na-provide
Yes.
nila syempre yung need ko na, which is mahal siya na nagamit. So, nag-start ako mag-digital 4th year and 5th year. So, yun.
Oo.
May mga other ways kung masyadong mahal yung kailangan.
Gamit.
Oo.
Oo.
So, may ways naman.
Ayun, going back to the budget, parang nung time namin, parang yung 20 by 30 na parchment paper if magda-draft ka.
Inches.
Costs 200 pesos yata. 10
Per
pieces
sheet?
nung
Ah,
time na yun.
Mm.
10 pieces na yun. So, kasha na siguro yun for... Hindi ko sure kung kasha for one term kasi if may magkamali ka, syempre, you can't
Oo.
erase it. Pwede mo naman discard yung erasein.
Yeah.
Pero,
Naalala ko lang
papangit
talaga.
na yun.
May ginawa ko kasi akong plate dati.
Di ba?
Like vellum
Oo.
board siya. Ginawa ko, tinakpan ko siya ng liquid eraser. Minarkahan minarkahan ng prof ko eh. Bawal yun guys. Yung marker mo, dapat malinis.
Malinis. Mas maganda malinis.
Mm.
Ayun, parang yung major plates namin nun, parang, ilan ba yun? 5 sa isang sem. So, or 4. Parang ganon. 4 to 5 major plates. So, parang ilang papel yun. Parang maubos na agad yung 10 mo.
Yes.
Diba? Ayun. Tapos may mga esquisse pa yun in the middle. Parang, ayun. Parang makaka 20 pages ka or more sa isa. So, basically, lampas 500 yung magagastos mo for the paper. In isang term. Ayun. Yun lang naman.
Alright.
And as you can see, we may have differences in our own lives, may it be on the financial aspect or our own relationships, may it be on ourselves, sa productivity namin with our work, our career, or probably in our families. Going back, alam mo yun, we still are happy to talk about these things kasi kahit na minor or major setbacks yung nangyari in being able to buy certain things kasi nga may pagkamahal or expensive ang architecture, or sometimes of course we still try to look for a way to spend time with our friends, with our families, and sometimes nagka-clash yun in terms of our budget. Going back, it's really a good thing kasi we still manage to finish and to be able to overcome those budget constraints that we had when we were younger and when we were having our college days. And so, I hope you've learned something from this. You can also comment down below if you have other questions regarding the budget, especially on the architecture side because I'm currently an architecture apprentice. And yep, focus on what matters and I'll see you at the next one. Peace.